everyone, welcome to the Master Effects YouTube channel. So today I'm going to begin the Python lesson tutorial series. So stay tuned with us to learn more about Python programming language. First, uh, we should take a look at what is computer science. Computer science, the central concept of computer science is algorithm. The computer science is based on algorithms. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a procedure for solving a mathematical problem in a finite number of steps that frequently involves repetition of an operation. Uh, if we describe it in a simple language, an algorithm is a procedure of doing something, step-by-step method of doing something and solving a problem. There are three main operations that we used to construct algorithms. They are sequential operations, conditional operations, and iterative operations. We will talk about these three operations soon in our tutorials. That is the meaning of a program. A sequence of instructions describing how to perform a certain task is called a program. Integrated development area. What is an IDE? IDE is a software or an environment which includes tools for writing and debugging entire programs. We should want IDE to program Python or in any languages. There are so many IDEs for different languages. So the main IDE that we use to program in Python is IDLE, idle. There is a link for downloading the idle, and I will mention this in the below description to download idle for you. Python is a higher level programming language, so and it is an interpreted language. There are so many programming languages such as C++, C Sharp, Java, and Python like that. Very many languages are compiled languages, but Python is an interpreted language. So let's take a look at how to download Python idle. Go to the web browser, type www.python.org. The Python python.org redirects to the main page, and you can see the downloads, and there is Python 3.7 download for Windows. Let's click it and you see Python is downloading now. I cancel it because I have already installed Python, and please download this and install for program in Python language. The latest version of idle is 3.7. You can see this in here. I'll open the idle. I have already installed idle. I have the 3.6 version. The first window that opens is called Python shell. We can do small operations here, like that, some simple equations. We cannot write heavy programs here. Print. These are simple programs. So if you we want to open a new file to begin the coding. Also, we can open a new file using Control N. This is a coding window. So we are going to start the basic Python program. How to print the statement hello world or something like that. So the main output module of the Python is print function. We should type the print function, and we can see statement got purple color. And open the parentheses and type what you should type. first we should have to save the file. Save as. Please give a file name. Give python 1, python 2. Save. Then go to the run and run module. Also we can run this module from F5. So we can see the hello world is printed in the Python shell. This is our main program, and now you know how to print a simple statement in Python shell. Hope you could get the basic knowledge of Python. Hope to see you in next Python tutorial. Please subscribe me to continue learning Python with Master Effects. And also I hope to bring you Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro and Dreamweaver tutorials soon. So stay tuned with Master Effects to get a massive knowledge. Thank you.